Hello friends, so today I will show you how to open the MIT App Inventor as well as its emulator in the computer. It is Windows 7. So at first we have to go to Firefox, and at the search or enter address we have to type https //app inventor .mit.edu slash. Yes, we have to type this and now enter. This will take some few minutes to open the MIT App Inventor tab. There are so many things we can see, and you might click on the create apps, and after clicking on it, you will see that platform. Now it will show you the signing Google accounts, so I have to sign one Google account. After signing it, you can show the projects and where they are done and which date you have done. So it will show this. Yeah, it will show this, and click on start new project. And what is the project name? Such as Emulator. There is really done, so we have not to click OK, just click on the emulator. So here is a screen at first in the MIT app, and you will open the MIT App Inventor. And now to connect with the emulator app, you have to go to connect, and here emulator. Yes, starting the emulator. Please wait, this might take 2 minutes. Unable to retrieve because I have no emulator. So here click on need help. After you click on the need help, here it will show some instructions. One option recommended build apps with Android and Wi-Fi connection. Here is some instruction, so don't need. Option 2 is build apps with a Chromebook. I have no Chromebook. So step 3, option 3, don't you have Android device, use the emulator. So if you don't have emulator, Android phone or tablet hand be, you can still use App Inventor. Have a class of 30 students, have a work primarily on the emulators and share a few devices. So click on these instructions. Yes, it will installing and running the emulator in the AI2. And now step 1, what is instruction inventor software. I have Windows computer, so where those who have Mac OS computer, click on Mac OS. Those who have Windows computer, click on Windows. And who have Linux or GNU computers, click on GUN. I will click on Windows. So here in the Windows you will see that there are several things. Here you will see that download the installer. So click on download the installer. It will take some few minutes to download. Yes, save file, and now it is downloading. Yes, it is downloading. If I see the downloads option, you can see that MIT App Inventor tool is downloaded. After you have completed the download, and click on the open file in the Chrome option and run it. It will take few minutes to run the software because it's a very big software. After the screen appears, this welcome to MIT US, next it, I agree it, and next it, and it is desktop icon, and next it, as like comes it will say next it and install it. It will install MIT. If you show you in details, you can see the details of the MIT App Inventor tool to be installed in your computer. After it has downloaded, click on next and finish it. Okay, so next we have to go into the MIT App Inventor, and here we could see that it is launching now. And next to connect emulator is, you will see that it is launching. Now we have to go to, yes, it is launching. It will take so many time to launch it, and After launching it, we have to, yes, you can see that there is one emulator starting here also. Yes, Android starting. It will take so many time. After the emulator has started, you can see it. Just unlock it by swiping, and here you can see what is happening here. Yes, receiving SD cards, so many things, because it is a very long big and software. It takes time. Okay, so here it is opening the MIT automatically. It will open the MIT 812 companion in its device. So here you can see that yes, it has started. And now, yes, click on OK. The update is now being installed in your device. Watch your device simulator screen. Approved installation well promoted. Important, when your finishes done, don't open, then go to the MIT web browser, click on connect menu, reset connection, then reconnect the device. And here replace OK it in the emulator, and now install it. Companion its device means that emulator, and now open it. Initializing. Yeah, got it. And now your emulator here. Starting emulator. Yes, it will open. After the downloader and clicking on the MIT it will see that initializing finishing. After the initializing, you can see here it is happening with the emulator. And now which will I placed it will see here. It will take the emulator to time. Yes, screen 1, text for level 1. Okay, it will emulator. Just if I background color change to blue, so no, about screen to background color to blue, so in the emulator it will also happen. Yes, see, it will take time. Yeah, see, yes, there text for button 1. So this is the video for starting the emulator as well as the MIT App Inventor. So thanks friends, if you like my video then please subscribe at my channel and don't forget to like this video. Thank you.